11 research websites for trading. That is exactly what this video is going to be about. 11 different websites that you can use for trading and investing, because this channel is all about trading and investing, specifically using options to help you in that. And even more specifically, to help you begin your trading journey by learning how to sell cash secured put options on stocks that you wouldn't necessarily mind owning. You can go on further from that, but at minimum, I believe in 2022, moving into 2023, if you have an internet connection, a bank account, and you spend money at least once a year, you have no legitimate reason, no valid reason not to be selling cash secured put options on stocks that you don't mind owning for the rest of your life. If it sounds like something you could get behind, maybe you already know how to do that, but maybe you could support me pushing the message to the world to be able to make your own financial decisions and not have to rely on the suspect opinion of other people, then consider that subscribe button. Let's get into these 11 different websites. Here they are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have these linked in the description of this video below. There'll also be playlists for your reference. There'll also be a link to the I Have Success website for your reference. And in fact, I will also link a video to a video at 2 minutes. So in 20 seconds, a little video is going to pop up. If you want to see what I've been watch what I'm doing in the paper trading world, you can click that video. That'll bring you into that playlist. But ultimately, the reason why I'm not going to explain all of these different websites is that part of the journey, your own individual journey, part of it is learning what different tools there are out there. And just by clicking on each one of these links and kind of exploring the websites, you're going to be learning. You're going to be confronted with some terms that you're not familiar with. When you're not familiar with a term, take the time to find out what it is. Some of these websites kind of overlap. Some of them do different things. Some of them offer some free and some paid stuff. Take the time to explore them. Maximize out the paid features of those, because you want to spend wisely, right? So maximize the free features, but if you notice during your journey, you're pushing the free features. You're to a point where you're like debating, I wish I had access to this other stuff. Well, don't be cheap. If it's time in your journey to pay for some resources to help you be successful, then consider doing it. But consider doing it while not spending foolishly. You want to have a balance. As Robert Kiyosaki says, there's 3 sides to a coin: the head, the tail, and the edge. Sit in the edge. One side of the coin is being cheap. The other side of the coin is being foolish, spending foolishly. Sit on that edge and realize that it might be. It also might be that maybe your trading style, with all the free access to those different websites, you might not ever need to pay for anything. No problem. It's just if it's like you're noticing, I kind of need to, then do. If you think that paying for all these different websites and information is going to make you money, you probably got to check yourself right here. Because ultimately, what I'm attempting to do is help you be independent of other people, so you can take data and make information and make decisions that will make financial rewards for you with that information. So if someone's telling you what to do, that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here promoting people telling you what to do. I'm here promoting you having the understanding to be able to make your own decisions for yourself, so you do not have to rely on the suspect opinion of other people. And if you haven't been trading before, I suggest you start that journey by learning how to sell cash secured put options on stocks that you don't mind owning. And if that's something that might interest you, go to ihavesuccess.com. There's a link to this website under there. Download the cash secured put stock selection guide, and download this 3 stocks I sell cash secured put options on. There is a playlist in the description of this video. It's just like trading options for beginners. Beginners is in all caps. Watch that playlist. Between watching the playlist and between reading these two things, you should have a general idea of how to select a stock to sell cash secured put options on that would be suitable for you to own the rest of your life. Suitable to you because you will be in a position to practice making your own decisions. Once you're there and you're ready to practice making your own decisions, don't trade with real money. Get a paper trading account. Practice on the paper trading account. As I mentioned, there's a link at the beginning of the video, maybe it's like 2-minute mark or something like that, where it links to a playlist that that will have videos of me doing paper trades. If you're you heard some weird stuff about paper trades, then read the description of that playlist and then rethink whether paper trades are wise or a foolish waste of time. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a fantastic time, whatever time it is you're watching this. And do me a favor for you. Please do me a favor. The favor that I'm asking you is to educate yourself so you're going to be in a position that you can make wise decisions for yourself and you don't need to rely on the suspect opinion of other people. Aloha.